Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to Roamfluencer. Today we are going to see two things which I bought it from Amazon. One is Mindbrush Journal and the other one is Good Things Take Time. So first one, we'll go through the Mindbrush Journal. This journal is really a good habit journal, and it is actually a thankful journal which I came to know by reading the reviews in Amazon. And the cost of this journal is 1185 rupees when I bought it from Amazon. If you ask me whether this journal is worth that money, I too don't have an answer, because this is the first time I'm buying such a journal. So when I went through on the first day, it shows about for 66 days. Okay. And here is the day one. They give something to learn, and there are few questions which help us to think about ourselves for a little of time, and it helps us to spend time with ourselves. So that is really useful, and the texture of this book was itself actually so amazing, and it was feel good. The next one is we are going to see this planner. Okay, this planner I just bought it for the magical color, the colorful planner it is. Okay, I have never seen a planner this colorful, and you see it contains every kind of activity in it, okay, for us to plan for a perfect year. But if you ask me whether I planned the whole year very perfectly, definitely it is a no. But this planner was a perfect thing. So it has stickers and a bag with it, which is so colorful, and it actually changes the vibe of planning. So I loved those stickers. It was so cool, and the planner itself was more cool than the stickers also, and the bag was also so cute. So I chose the Stay Magical theme, and inside you see when I open each and every page, it is a dreamy planner for any girl. It is a dreamy planner. So if you want to gift anyone anything, I would recommend to gift this planner. So first one is it shows a place to write your name. Next, it has colorful pages like this to just go through. Then here it is letter to yourself. You can write a letter to yourself. The next page had its vision board. I actually now have pasted the pictures, which I'll show you in the year end. Okay, then it is about the reviews, about the goals. These goals and all, no, actually now I have written and striken off, and some have happened, some have not happened. So such goals have been there in these pages, which I'll be showing in the year end maybe. And see, each and every page, it brings lot of creativity in our mind. Okay, even if we are not a creative person, this planner will definitely make us think in a creative way and make us plan in a creative manner. Okay, then my favorite moments, and this page, see the problem solver. You can mention a problem and bring a solution. See, be cool, be kind. So every page will be a motivation, every page will be a joyful writing for you. And it also has bill tracker, it has financial overview, which I actually haven't used it, but I love the helicopter view also. In this month what I have done, in that month what I have done, you can just write few things. And the most favorite part is this monthly planner. Okay, each month you can have a monthly planner. Apart from this, see how many pages are there for extra planning, and apart from that we have the monthly planner. Each month you can have, and you can plan your days daily, and there is also a chart for every month which you can just review and make improvements also in income, expense, and there is review and what could be corrected. So there are each and everything which can be mentioned without you yourself planning. This planner plans your days, this planner plans your months. So that was the thing when I just went through this. And actually, I'm not a regular user. I'm not a daily go-to-do consistent user. But actually, it helped me. So I think this will also help you. And the most important thing is, this is not a sponsor video. And this is my own real experience of buying these two things from Amazon. And if you really like this video, put a like, comment, and also share this video to your friends, and without fail subscribe to Roamfluencer for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and bye.